Hey, did you know that engaging channel points can get your live stream boosted and even recommended by Twitch, which means more views?
Nice.
Yeah, crazy, right? I know, I'm mind blown as well. So then I guess that means that we need really dope channel points. But what counts as dope channel points? Well, in my adventure to find out what the dopest of channel points were, where did I go?
Reddit.
So these are the best channel point ideas according to Reddit. So there was a whole bunch of recommendations on Twitch, so I'm just going to highlight a few that really seemed really OP to me. So I'm like, cool, that seems dope, I want that, and yeah, let's go. I am wasting channel points. This one was recommended by QB Gaming, and when I read it, I had a good laugh. I was like, that is such a great idea. Essentially, you know how you have those lurkers that just sit in your streams and support you, but they gather all those thousands of channel points, and because they're lurking, they don't really get to use them. Well, what if now they get to flex on all the peasants of your live streams and be like, yo, what's up fam, chicken me, sending you my 5,000 channel points, boo. You know, flex 1,000, flex 2,000, boo. Nah, flex 5,000, got you, boo. The next one that was really common on Reddit was recommending a song. No, not that one, this one.
Like the rock, when you see me, I'm electrifying.
Another amazing Twitch channel point idea was to sign people's Steam profile. This one they said proceed with caution, because if you sign too many people's profiles, it's going to be marked as spam by Steam. So my recommendation is to actually set it to cost a lot, and that way, yeah, they're using a lot of channel points, and then in return they get your dope signature on their Steam profile. This one was really great because it's actually really easy to do, and it's basically draw anything on Paint, whatever they recommend or make you want to do. And that's great because I mean, everyone has Paint on their Windows unless you're on Mac, bruh. Shame. What you even live stream on Mac for? Anyways, back to the real world. It's great. It's glorious. Try it. I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna see what my community makes me draw. Oh, make me say things. Okay, I guess that's pretty simple. Make me say things. That's pretty cool, as long as it's obviously appropriate for your audience. Okay, warning. This one is absolutely god tier that not even Kratos would attempt to take it, so discretion advised. But it's let them spend all their channel points to choose your next emote. All they have to do is send you the PNG file. Set it to like 90,000 channel points or something, I don't know. One of the last really cool ones was to center your channel points around a specific game. So if you're in a niche like City Skylines and that's what you play, then you have a whole bunch of emotes dedicated to that game, like naming streets, naming buildings, naming towns, and hey, if they get enough points, destroy that town with that meteorite. Okay, so here's a few of my one. They're too good and too OP for Reddit, so that's why they clearly weren't on that page, but here they are. Dance off.
Dance off, bro.
Everyone loves a good dance off. Giant sip. This one's glorious. And now, setting the stage for the final one. The one that's going to cost you the most points in channel history in the stream. Hold up, I'm back. If you have any really cool like Twitch channel points ideas that you use and that really works for you, let us know in the comments below. Let the community know about this, that we can be using them as well. And hey, it's cool. Little chili chundas in the comments. We'd love to see what you got. Oh yeah, and hey, if you didn't realize the importance of Twitch channel points, or you're not really convinced yet that you need to invest time into thinking of really cool ones, go check out this video. It'll change your mind. It'll show you that you really can get recommended because of channel points. Yeah, it's cool. I'll see you there. Bye. Hey, it's gonna be a good day.